Did you know you can make easy money by borrowing on credit cards interest-free in a method known as Stoozing? In this video, we're going to show you how to make money using credit cards. Let's check it out.
Welcome to Money Unshackled, the investment channel that sets you and your finances free. This is Andy, I am Ben, and today we're looking at a step-by-step guide to credit card stoozing. If you like what we say, click like and hit subscribe, and if you click the bell button, you'll receive a notification each time we release a video so you don't miss any. Let's check it out.
Stoozing is the art of making money by taking advantage of 0% credit card deals. In a nutshell, you borrow money at 0%, save the equivalent and earn interest on it. While it's not as lucrative as it once was, there's still plenty of money to be made. I've heard stories of people earning up to $5,000 per year in interest. I'm not saying that you will achieve this, but just look at that potential. Now, how do you do it?
Step 1. Apply for a credit card. The first thing you need to do is apply for a credit card with a long 0% interest period on purchases. Which one, you ask? Good question. We'll put a link in the description below for a useful article at moneysavingexpert.com. You can also stooze using money transfer credit cards using a slightly different method. We've already covered money transfer credit cards in a previous episode, so we'll put a link to that episode in the description below.
At the Money Saving Expert link, you'll find all the latest deals, and at the time of making this video, you can get up to 30 months interest-free on purchases. That's pretty cool. These will be UK only deals. So if you're not from the UK, do a Google search for 0% interest purchase credit cards and lots of great deals will come up for your country.
Step 2. Buy stuff. All you need to do is make sure that you make all your purchases on the credit card up to the credit limit. Don't withdraw any money using the credit card though, because you may be hit with interest charges and lose your 0% deal.
Remember, you applied for a 0% purchase credit card, so only make purchases. Also, and don't forget this, only buy things that you would have bought anyway. This is not an excuse to overspend and waste money.
Step 3. Save the money. When you make a purchase, you simply need to save an equivalent amount of money into a savings account so you can start earning interest on it. Normal savings accounts are pathetic, so you may want to consider using a regular monthly savings account, as these offer a higher rate of interest.
Or, if you're a little more adventurous, you can use this money to start investing in something a little more lucrative, such as peer-to-peer lending. We have a high tolerance for financial risk, and I use this method to invest in the stock market.
Step 4. Set up a direct debit. With credit cards, you need to make a monthly minimum repayment. The best thing to do here is to set up a direct debit to pay this monthly minimum repayment. Forget to pay and you will incur a fee and you'll probably lose your 0% deal as well. When you make the minimum repayment, you can immediately spend that money because your credit card has been topped up by your payment, so your cash flow is not really impacted.
Step 5. Pay off the balance at the end or move it to another credit card. At the end of the interest-free period, you have to clear the balance. Simply, use the money that you set aside to pay off that remaining amount, or better yet, transfer the money to another interest-free credit card and continue to earn interest on it. In order to do this, you will need a specialist balance transfer credit card. We'll put in a link in the description below for the UK deals.
Remember, everything we've just told you only works if you're financially disciplined. If this isn't you, then stay away. Question of the day. Have you ever used stoozing to make money? And if you've only just found out how, do you intend on using it to make money? Let us know in the comments section.
Thanks for watching. On this channel, we talk about personal finance, investing, and all things money. And if you want to see more great content, please click the subscribe button below.
This is Money Unshackled. See you next time.